What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. I'm Min Thai, and in this video today I want to share with you guys what I am cooking tonight for dinner. It's been a long time. I have not done any type of vlogging. It's because I've been traveling to Orlando for the premiere beauty show. After coming back, making content, going to work. You know how crazy life can be. But at the end of the day, I have to remind myself that we are all human and we have responsibility at home. So I want to share with you guys what I'm cooking tonight. I went to Costco, got myself this big old ribeye steak. I never cooked this giant ribeye steak before. I'm gonna add some asparagus tonight, Caesar salad, and some corn, y'all. So let's come, see the preparation, and have dinner with us. Come on, y'all. All right, there you have it. This is the big ribeye steak. I think this is like a tomahawk. And I'm about to grill this up. I never grilled this before, y'all, but we're gonna just do traditional in the oven. I'm gonna start out with 425 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and bake it for a good 25 minutes, and I'm gonna put it on the grill, and I'm gonna share it, y'all. Of course, we got the corn over here too. You see the corn? That's my son loves some corn. And we got the Caesar salad. I know I'm cheating, y'all. Who cares? I gotta make it work. And we got the asparagus over here. That's what we're gonna be cooking, y'all. Let's get it on. All right, y'all. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate this right here, okay? And I'm gonna make it very simple. Just black pepper and some salt, and that should do it, okay? We're not gonna try to be all fancy-pantsy here because the steak should taste sweet by itself. So let's go ahead and get this 2 ingredients right here. So, of course, we're gonna get the black pepper, and we're gonna go ahead and grind this black pepper right here, y'all. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Boom. So the salt that I'm using, man, y'all gotta try this salt right here. Bomb.com. What I'm gonna do is let's go on this. Now that this is all seasoned, guys, let's go ahead and let it rest until we get the oven nice and ready, okay? Let's get that oven. Let's go ahead and go and bake. I'm gonna go to 425. You can go high because this is thick. Let's go and start from there. Now this is out of the way. Let's go ahead and get the corn going, okay? All right, let's go ahead and put the corn in here, y'all. All right, guys, see? Now that the corn's cooking, we're good to go on to the next. And for the salad, we'll save it for later. And for the asparagus, we'll save it for later because we don't want to cook this really fresh. So right now, we're just waiting for this to be cooked, which this should be done like maybe in 30 minutes. This should be done in 30 minutes. Dinner is served with some rice, y'all. But you know, while we're waiting for the meat to get done and the corn to get done, you know we're not done yet, right? We gotta do the dishes because, you know, we don't want to leave the house all messy because I cannot concentrate when the house is messy, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but the house gotta be pretty spotless for me to move on and do other stuff. So let's get it going, y'all. All right, guys, so the oven is done, so let's go ahead and put the meat inside, okay? Let's do it. Put this meat in there. Oh, man, here we go. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and load it up for 25 minutes. I think you can do more, but let's try 25 first. All right, let's do that. All right, guys, so now that the meat is in the oven, let's go ahead and check on the corn real quick. Right there, that's the corn. I know, I always show you guys like me cleaning the house and cooking and everything, but honestly, this is what life is really all about, you know? I'm fortunate that I work from home. Like I'm able to make content from home. and produce this video for you guys to watch. And I'm able to take care of my kids at the same time and help them with their activities. The hardest part is my kids, man. They at the age where like they're constantly having events. Like right now, as I'm talking to you, making this video, they're actually at their karate place doing their dojos and all that, right? And I dropped them off, so their mom's gonna pick them up. And then pretty much life with kids, the husband and the wife, we just gotta try to bounce back and forth. And because, you know, we get so caught up trying to take care of the kids, sometimes you kind of lose yourself. You kind of lose who you are as a person, what you used to like, because your life just constantly moving so fast. It's non-stop, you know. So, but I'm just letting you guys know how it is. You know, it's not a bad thing, but it's a lot of work, and it takes two to tango, and it takes a team to really build a family. You know, if you guys want to build a good family, it really takes a team. It takes a lot of effort, but sometimes I don't think about these kind of stuff. You know, I wake up every morning. First of all, I am blessed that I'm awake. Secondly, I just focus on, okay, if I need to do this, I focus on that. If I need to take care of my kids on certain things, I take care of that. Like, I try to be as flexible as I can so that I'm not tied to a certain fixed schedule, you know what I mean? Because when you have kids, there's no such thing as a fixed schedule. They change it throughout the season, throughout the month. They always got some new thing going on, and I just try to do my best I can. But a lot of time at home, I cook, guys, you know. But I love to cook. I enjoy cooking so much. I feel like it's an art. I really enjoy it. I'm simple. I mean, the more you guys get to know me, I'm very simple. I'm not complicated. The only thing I ask for is good blessing, happy life, a lot of love. That's pretty much it. I can care less about the rest. I can care less about the material stuff. At the end of the day, the material stuff is just all plus. You know what I mean? It's not a something you gotta have. But with me, what I really care for is just a peace of mind. Like, if every day I can just get a little peace of mind, I'm happy, y'all. I don't need to ask too much. I don't need anything in life. A peace of mind, we're gonna take care of a lot of things in life, y'all. Because sometimes problems what kills you. So when you try to stay away from problems, that's the best part, right? But yeah. So tonight dinner is pretty short. Man, I am talking a lot up in here. I just, you know, I haven't shared my thought with you guys for a while. So I just want to share my thought with you guys. That's pretty much it. All right, guys. So, I'm sweaty. I just finished the dishes. But let's check on the corn and the steak real quick, guys. All right, look at the corn. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Wow. Man. So the reason why this one's yellow, because I got it. This one's the Fresno State corn. This one I got at Costco. But they about to be eaten up, yo. We got like, what, 8 minutes and a half left? Let's check out on this little... Ooh, look at that, y'all. That looks bomb. But I know it's not cooked from the inside yet, but it's all right. It's all right. We're going to take our time. That's pretty much it, guys. And the rice is cooked. Look, let me show you guys the rice. Boom. Rice is nicely done. Look at that. All right, now it's super easy, y'all. I'm just going to wait for the meat to finish. The corn is done. We're going to cook the asparagus once the meat is done, guys. Because once you cook the meat, you got to let it rest for like 10 minutes. And then at that 10 minutes, I'm going to cook the asparagus. The lettuce is super easy already. And dinner is served. Y'all stay tuned now. Thank you for tuning in, y'all. Ooh, my hair is a hot mess, too. Ooh, I'm a hot mess today. I don't know what to tell y'all. But thanks for watching anyways. Dang. Let's grab this real quick. Woo. Yeah, that's a big one. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and let this rest a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sear it with some butter. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put this whole butter in here. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Just let that butter melt. And then after that, we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna go ahead and stir this for like a couple minutes because it's a big piece of meat. Butter right here. go and pour it on top of it. There we go. Yeah. That's how you do it. You all see that? Turn it this way too. Look at that. Man. This Yep. Oh, you know it's not fully cooked yet. It's really good. Yeah, it's still red in the middle. Cook it for a while. Show you guys. Right here. I mean, if you guys like it like that, go for it, but I'm gonna cook it a little bit more. Oh yeah, this one's good. Just go and lay that there. Alright guys, so I just cleaned the pan for the asparagus, okay? I'm gonna wash it, but we're gonna cook the asparagus with some garlic and some butter. That should, and a little salt, that should be good. So for the asparagus, I'm gonna cut the ends off. The ends is a little bit too thick and it doesn't cook very well. Just go ahead and get that out. Huh? Put this in here. And some pepper. Check on this real quick. Ooh, look at that. That is nice. See how it looks like. Ooh, look at all the juice coming out. Oh, man. Let's go. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. Mmm. All right, guys, all that preparation, we are officially done with dinner. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Wow. Look at that. Wow.
You know which one do I most?
How hungry are you?
Very hungry.
What about you, David?
Hungry?
I'm gonna die if I don't eat.
The heck, really? Mm-hmm. All right, look at all the food. How is it?
It's good.
Take a bite. Let me see you take a bite.
Caitlin, guess what?
Caitlin, just grab your hand and put it in your mouth.
Not anymore.
Let me see.
Mommy, look at what mommy said.
Caitlin, not anymore. Caitlin.
How is it? Good?
I need corn. I need corn. I need...
Let me see you take a bite.
Me?
Yes. How is it?
Good.
Mm.
I love corn.
All right, how about asparagus? Who's gonna take a bite of asparagus? Go.
I hate asparagus.
Go.
I get some meat. I get to go for the salad.
Is it good? How good is it?
10 out of 10.
Nice. Well, you gonna try the meat too?
Yep.
All right, let me see you eat the meat.
I get to have some meat.
What kind of beef is this?
It's like ribeye. It's pretty juicy, huh, Kaylin?
Yeah.
You see, take a bite.
Then you forgot about me?
I didn't forget about you,
Gonna
baby.
be me?
What about you? Let me see.
Okay, good.
How is it?
Good.
Boy, why you wipe your hand on your clothes? How's the salad, Kate? You like the meat?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of
Really? Yeah?
10. This is the first meat I had in a while.
Let me try it.
Don't want it.
Nope, I want it to sit here.
What?
Hey, it doesn't matter, Kaylin. Alright, let's try this.
That's your fault.
It's really good. Try the salad.
Mommy, Colin, Daddy stole your spot.
Daddy.
To me.
Whoa.
What?
You want to pick this? Look at this towel.
The corn? No, this. Look at it.
The Tomahawk.
You know what? Also
Really
looks
good.
You
like
guys
a...
want to get knives?
You know what? Look, guys.
Mm.
And
So good.
it's very good. Mommy, you're sitting next to me.
It's fine.
Can someone cut my meat?
You want me to cut it?
Yeah. It's so big.
Mm.
This one. Cut this one.
Alright. This is dinner. Say bye to everyone, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Bye
good
and
dinner.
cock-a-doodle-doo.
What's that mean?
I always do that at the end of the video.
No, you don't.
Yeah?
Someone help me.
Bye
Alright.
and cock-a-doodle-doo.
Bye, guys.
Doo-doo. Bye.
Enjoy your dinner.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Or if you live in somewhere else. Good morning.
Then it's breakfast.
Yeah, and if you live somewhere else, cock-a-doodle-doo. Time to wake up.